Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you could tell from the title of this video and the thumbnail, we've got some major house updates. Starting with the elephant in the room, we have a kitchen island now, which I'm so excited about. I'll give you guys like a island tour in a minute. We literally have this giant kitchen island now. My dad built it for us and we got a countertop put on it yesterday. It's beautiful, it's perfect, it's wonderful. I'm obsessed with it. And then I've been working on the living room. I got a new rug. I just got a coffee table in the mail that I need to put together. All that good stuff. We've got a big day ahead of us to organize some drawers on the island and also build the coffee table. And you know, I've really been just in like nesting mode, I guess you could call it, with the entire house. I just want it to all be perfect before little man arrives. Fun stuff. I'm so excited about the island. Since we have a fun day ahead of us, we're gonna start off with greens. I talked about these before in a video. You've probably also heard of them. They're called Bloom. It's Bloom Nutrition greens. You just like mix it with water or juice, whatever you want. Gotta get your greens in, get the day started off right. I have it all over my fingers. I'm gonna go fill this up with water. I literally always do this. I fill the cup up like without thinking with way too much water and it makes it impossible to blend. So I grabbed a larger cup. Hopefully I can pour it in here without spilling. Oh, we spilled a little, but that's okay. Nice, get them nice and blended up. Mango flavor. It's really good. Don't let the color fool you. It is very green, but it doesn't taste like most green. It doesn't taste bad at all. Greens are in. Make sure to drink your greens. Okay, let me show you this island. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Okay, island tour. So here is the island. I wanted to show you how it's huge. It makes our kitchen feel so complete. Like it's not just a wall of cabinets now. We have an island and tons of space and just tons of space, counter space. There's tons of storage on this side with, you know, drawers and all these cabinets. So much. It looks so good. I'm gonna do a little 360, go around it. Okay, here is a full view of the kitchen with the island. Looks so good. Like I said, it splits up this space because this is still like a giant space between the living room and the kitchen, but now like this is the kitchen. I feel like it's broken up. You know what I'm saying? So I love that. Do a little 360 for you guys. Sorry if the camera's shaky. I'm like walking. I feel like I can't stabilize it well. But little 360, or I don't know, was that a 180, 360? I don't know. But like I said, tons of storage, tons of counter space. It looks so good. We did shiplap on the front and the sides. And I got these bar stools from Target. There's an overview of the island. I absolutely love it. It looks so good. I want to get, like I said, I want to get like a vase to put on it with flowers or something, and then like maybe a fruit bowl. I don't know. I feel like it needs something in the middle, right? But yeah, I love it. The countertops are also so pretty. They're a white quartz with just like very minimal veining on them. So yeah, I'm so excited that we finally have an island. Some of you have been asking like, when are you gonna get an island in the kitchen? And voila, there it is, finally here, and I freaking love it. Next up, new rug. This is the rug we went with. It is from Rugs, Rugs USA. And I wanted something neutral, but I wanted also something easier to clean because the other one is just so hard to clean. since it's shag and it's like cream white. So it was so hard to clean and it would stain really easily. So I got something that would clean easier, one, and two, if it did stain, it's gonna be a lot harder to like pick out stains on this rug than the other one. And I just feel like it goes so well with our leather couch and the colors in our house. So I love it. It is super soft. It still has some wrinkles because it's still, you know, trying to lay flat. It was folded up, but it said it should be good in like a week. It's only been like a day or two since we've gotten it, but I love it. Don't mind Oakley's toys. He plays a lot, but I love it. And then we just got the coffee table that I'm about to build. Finally, it's just a little round wood coffee table. Okay, so yeah, those are all the updates. I'm about to build the coffee table. Sorry if the lighting was weird and if the camera kept going out of focus. I don't know why the autofocus sucks right now. It keeps wanting to like go in and out. I don't even know. Now we're gonna build the coffee table because I've been waiting for it. It's finally came this morning, so we're gonna build it and see if it looks good. Fingers crossed it does. I think it will. It's very simple. It's literally just like a round wooden coffee table. So let's put it together. Also, I forgot to mention, I am 31 weeks pregnant today. Little bump date. I'll give you a better one later, but 31 weeks, about 9-ish more to go. Literally every time I like bend over and do stuff, my leggings roll under my belly. Now these are just like Lululemon, not maternity, and they roll down under the belly. I'm out of breath. Whew. Okay.
Long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high when you're on my side.
I had to switch the camera because the other one was dying, but that was really easy. It took me like 12 minutes. That's how long I was recording it for. So, super easy. How cute! It's like perfect. That is the perfect size, I feel like. Yay, I'm so excited. I think it looks so good. I think it's the perfect size. It's not too small, not too big. Matches like the color wood. It goes so well with the rest of the wood in our house. Here's from this angle. So cute. This is better lighting. So cute. I love it. What do you guys think? Comment below. It's from Target. It's a Threshold brand. I'm out of breath, but I love it. I think it's so cute and goes so well with everything else in here. Needs to be decorated still, obviously. I gotta decorate this, gotta decorate the island. We've got a lot to do here, y'all. But so cute, love it. Also was so easy for me to put together. That's the bottom of it. Don't mind the giant box. I'm just gonna leave that there and let Bradley throw it away. This right here is like my biggest pregnancy craving, I guess you could call it, in the 3rd trimester. I love cereal. So good. It's kind of a little while later. I've been doing nothing. I changed into a t-shirt. I'm about to head to Target. I like got this just random wave of tiredness, and I don't know if it's from the cereal, but I'm like just feel tired and my head kind of hurts, and almost like if I sit there for too long I feel a little nauseous almost. So it might be from the cereal. I am going to go to Target to look for some decor to put on the coffee table and maybe something to put on the island. And then also I need to get stuff to make something for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna grab that while I'm there too. Outfit's really not cute. I'm just wearing a t-shirt, leggings, and my Hoka's. Very comfy. So yeah, let's go to Target. Ugh. Wasn't gonna get Starbucks, but here we are, and I had a croissant because I was hungry. But I'm in the home section, gonna try to find something cute to put on the coffee table and whatever else I find. I don't know, the lighting in here is so bad. Okay, I'm back home. I didn't find anything at Target. I also didn't find anything for the coffee table or the island. One second. Okay, he put his ball up under the TV stand, so I had to get it. But I didn't find anything for the coffee table or the island, but I did not come home empty-handed. I went into Marshall's and then I went to the grocery store, but I found some goodies at Marshall's. So I thought I'd give you guys a little haul, and then I need to put groceries away and make dinner because it's getting late. As you can tell from the lighting, that's freaking horrible right now. Bradley's on his way home, so I need to cook dinner. I got this little pitcher for tea. I'm gonna make like a batch of tea and put it in the fridge. So a little pitcher. These glasses that are literally so cute. How cute are these? They're like little glasses with a little lid and a straw. I thought these would be so cute for like coffee and stuff, and it's a set of 4. I don't need any glasses in my life. We have a cabinet full, but those were too cute not to get. And then I got 2 of these Starbucks vanilla syrups at Marshall's. Only $4.99, way cheaper than if you buy them at like Starbucks. So 2 jars, little glass canisters that I'm gonna put Oakley's treats in. I also got these thank you cards for after my baby shower. My baby shower is Here Comes the Sun theme, so I actually thought these were super cute because they have like little suns on them. So I got that. I grabbed this little organizer for like water bottles because I need to organize that better, so got this. But that's everything that I got from Marshall's, and you probably don't care about my groceries, so yeah, there's my Marshall's haul. I didn't get anything for the coffee table or the island, but I want to find something good. I didn't want to like just get something to get something, so I'm gonna cook dinner now. I'm probably gonna vlog today. I didn't get much done. I definitely had a lazy day, but that's okay. We'll come back tomorrow and be better, do better. Not much going on around here besides just working on the house, getting everything ready to rock and roll. Okay, I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna end for the day. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall.
Hi guys, so I did not vlog. I sucked at vlogging, if I'm being honest, but also in that same breath, I don't do much during the day. I'm slowing down here. I hate to complain because I've literally been blessed with the easiest pregnancy ever, which I'm so grateful for. But this third trimester exhaustion is creeping up on me slowly but surely. And my motivation and just like all that is just going down. I don't do that much during the day. I definitely take it easy, and if not, I go out and do things, or I will do things around the house, but there's only like so much I feel like I can film, you know? I really want to film more nesting content, like for the baby, getting, you know, washing clothes, getting all the baby stuff prepped, but I'm kind of waiting for after my baby shower because all I really have are clothes, and I'm sort of, you know, waiting for the baby shower. And then after the baby shower, I will be full on nesting. We've kind of been in like the nesting mode with the house, like itself, getting, you know, the island. We're like, let's get this done before the baby comes. I'm just kind of trying to get everything around the house ready, but as far as the baby stuff goes, I'm waiting for after my baby shower, which is in a couple of weeks, actually. I don't know how many weeks, a few weeks, like 3 weeks, I think, which is so exciting. I literally cannot wait. But yeah, I just wanted to make a proper ending to this video. For some reason this whole week, I have been, no matter what I eat in the morning, like an hour after I eat, I get so like almost like tired and nauseous. Like the food I'm eating is like not doing it for me, except it can be anything. Like I thought it was some like sugary, that was the problem. So I had like not sugar, straight up sugar, and I still felt that way, so I don't really know. But I just wanted to make a proper ending to this video, and I wanted to say, if you're watching this right now at the end of the video, thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much and appreciate the patience with me while I am, you know, navigating what to film, because I feel like I just am kind of at like almost like a rut. Is that the right word? I don't know. I just don't know everything, like what all to film, because I want to make interesting, fun videos, but at the same time, my day-to-day life right now especially, it's like interesting because I'm gonna have a baby in like 2 months, but at the same time I'm waiting for like my baby shower to really prep for the baby, and I don't do that much during the day because Big Mom was getting tired. I just feel huge, sorry. But yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much if you stuck around. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.